Driving can be an exhilarating and empowering experience. It can even be relaxing, but occasionally driving can be stressful. That's why Ford developed BlueCruise, a new, available drive assist feature that helps keep our customers confident. BlueCruise means hands-free driving. It's the next generation of Ford's intelligent adaptive cruise control technology. The hands-free testing we've done is impressive. To help drivers safely drive hands-free on more than 100,000 miles of divided highway all across North America, Ford sent 5 all-new F-150 trucks and 5 all-new, all-electric Mustang Mach-E's on something we call the mother of all road trips, or Moart. A true hands-free experience means Ford vehicles stay centered in the lane and handle stop-and-go traffic with ease. On Moart, we tested BlueCruise against faded highway lines and thousands of miles of severe weather, just to make sure it responded the way the customers expected it to. This new Ford technology doesn't just track the driver's head. These high-tech cameras can track the driver's eyes, even with sunglasses on. And if their eyes wander from the road, drivers are prompted to refocus and retake control. Like I said, some driving can be stressful, but we're confident that BlueCruise hands-free technology will make some highway driving a much less stressful driving experience.